How to fix Nighthawk app won't let you log in. Let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is check your internet connection. You can give fresh restart to your router, or also you can switch your network. If you are using mobile data, switch to Wi-Fi, and in the case you are using Wi-Fi, switch to mobile data. Now you can apply these solutions. First, you can update the app. For that, launch your app store. Search for the app Nighthawk. Once app appears, at the right corner of the app, you will find the option of Open or Update. If you find the option of Update, just click on it and update the app to its latest version. Heading towards next solution, close this. Open your settings. Now you have to clear cache for the app, so scroll down. Open this option General. Head towards the option of iPhone Storage. Scroll down. Now find the app Nighthawk. Once you find it, open it. Click on a Float app. Click on a Float app. A floating app clears cache for the app. Click on Reinstall app. After completion of reinstallation process, you can check whether your problem has been solved or not. Likewise, heading towards next solution, you can completely delete this app from your device and reinstall it. To do that, long press on your Nighthawk app. Different options will pop up. Click on Remove app. Click on Delete app. Click on Delete. Once you delete this app, launch your app store. Search for the app and install it. Applying these solutions, your problem will be fixed. So this is how you can fix Nighthawk app won't let you log in. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.